This video will be covering acid and base spills. As with any spill, it's important that you're wearing appropriate PPE. Acids and bases are extremely corrosive and cause major burns. The appropriate PPE in this case, at minimum, is a lab coat, goggles, and a pair of gloves. Sometimes it may even be necessary to double glove. When either an acid or a base is first spilled, alert your TA and others in the area that might be affected. Assess the situation with the TA to determine if you are both comfortable with you cleaning it up. Do not walk through the spilled substance, and if it's safe to do so, make sure to safely turn off any potentially hazardous equipment near the spill. When evaluating a spill, ask yourself these two questions. First, is it a simple spill? A simple spill is one that is not spreading rapidly, does not endanger people or property unless it's in direct contact, and is less than approximately 50 milliliters. Second, do you know what the spilled substance is and the hazards associated with it? Never clean up a spill if you do not know what the substance is or do not feel comfortable cleaning it up. For a simple base spill, we use a weak acid, such as citric acid, to neutralize the base. For small spills that are just a few milliliters in volume, powder can usually be directly applied to the spill. Otherwise, you first dissolve the acid in water. Once you've added the acid, test the remaining residue with a pH strip to see if the base is neutralized. If it is, wipe up and dispose of the waste according to the instructions from your TA. If not, keep applying acid until the base is neutralized. For an acid spill, repeat the same process using sodium bicarbonate, which is a weak base instead of citric acid.
Here are some important facts to remember. For acid spills, use sodium bicarbonate. For base spills, use citric acid. Never use strong acids or bases to neutralize a spill. Ensure that the spill is neutralized before you wipe it up. When mixing acid with water, add acid to the water. Do not attempt to neutralize on skin or self. Instead, rinse with copious amounts of water. And as always, remember to have fun.